Okay, I got the Milwaukee multi-function pry tool box cutter. Check it out. Scraping, prying, nail, staple puller, gut hook, and wire stripper, bottle opener, of course, like everything else. Let's open it up. Check it out. Easy to open. There it is. Wire clip. Safety glass as always. Got a cool little pry. Bottle opener. Little lanyard hook. There it is. Let's try it out later. Came with one. Looks like you push it here. Insert, push, seated. There it is. Little oil. Looks cool. Fits good in the hand. Metal. Little nail puller. I like the color. I like the logo. I like the function. It's kind of hard, actually. There it is.